Turki bin Abdul Mohsen Al Sheikh was born on 4 August 1981 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Raised in an environment that valued education, discipline, and public service, he developed a strong interest in leadership from an early age. He completed his education in security and administrative studies before beginning a career in government service. His ability to manage complex projects and lead large teams quickly earned him recognition. Career in public service. Before becoming a household name, Turki Al Sheikh worked in several government institutions, where he gained valuable experience in administration and strategic planning. His leadership skills and commitment to achieving results brought him increasing responsibilities. His reputation as a capable organizer eventually opened the door to larger national projects. Leading Saudi Arabia's entertainment revolution. Turki Al Sheikh's career reached a turning point when he became chairman of Saudi Arabia's General Entertainment Authority (GEA). Under his leadership, Saudi Arabia introduced a new era of concerts, festivals, sporting events, theatrical performances, and cultural celebrations. Large-scale international events began attracting millions of visitors from around the world. His vision aligned with Saudi Arabia's broader goal of diversifying its economy and expanding opportunities beyond the oil sector. Transforming sports. Turki Al Sheikh has also played a major role in developing Saudi sports. He helped attract international boxing events, football competitions, and global sporting stars to the kingdom. His efforts increased Saudi Arabia's visibility on the international sports stage. The arrival of world-famous athletes and the organization of major sporting tournaments have contributed to Saudi Arabia's growing reputation as a global destination for sports entertainment. Passion for football. Football has always been one of Turki Al Sheikh's greatest passions. He has supported football development through investments, sponsorships, and initiatives designed to improve the quality and popularity of the sport. His involvement has contributed to the rapid growth of football within Saudi Arabia. Support for arts and culture. Beyond sports, Turki Al Sheikh has encouraged artistic creativity. He has supported concerts, theatrical productions, cultural festivals, and entertainment projects that provide opportunities for local and international performers while expanding the kingdom's cultural landscape. Leadership style. Turki Al Sheikh is known for making quick decisions, setting ambitious goals, and encouraging innovation. His leadership emphasizes creative thinking, large-scale planning, international partnerships, high-quality entertainment experiences, youth engagement, challenges. Leading major reforms naturally brings challenges and public debate. Some of his projects have received praise for modernizing entertainment and tourism, while others have generated discussion among people with differing social and cultural perspectives. Despite these debates, he has remained focused on implementing national initiatives within his area of responsibility. Influence beyond Saudi Arabia. Today, Turki Al Sheikh is recognized internationally for helping organize globally watched sporting and entertainment events. His work has strengthened Saudi Arabia's image as a destination for international visitors, athletes, performers, and investors. Legacy. Although his career is still ongoing, Turki Al Sheikh has already become one of the most influential figures associated with Saudi Arabia's modern entertainment sector. His projects have contributed to new economic opportunities, expanded tourism, and increased international attention toward the kingdom. Conclusion. Turki Al Sheikh's story reflects how vision, organization, and determination can transform an entire industry. From public administration to leading one of the Middle East's most ambitious entertainment programs, he has played a significant role in shaping Saudi Arabia's modern cultural landscape. His journey continues to influence entertainment, sports, and tourism both inside the kingdom and around the world.